Terry here from Leading the Hunt, and welcome to my channel. It's all about helping you become a better outdoorsman on a budget. In this video we're going to take a look at what I like to do for prepping and scouting during deer season. So I've got 30 pounds of carrots on my back. You can see that, 30 pounds of carrots and probably about, I don't know, 10 pounds of pears and apples on my back. And I'm hiking out to my deer stand. It's probably, I don't know, there's still a week before opening. I just wanted to stock that all back up. It's just rained, which is good. That's why I wanted to get out here. See if you can see any fresh tracks within the last, 24, 48 hours. And check out all my stuff. I just restocked my pile, and I've got a mock scrape started. Hopefully they've already taken to it. Out here at my deer stand, still a week or so before actual hunting season, and I noticed that my camera, my trail cam, I don't know if you can see it back there. Anyways, notice it's really shiny, and we are on public land here, and I don't want my camera to walk away. So, what I've decided to do is see if I can take away some of that shininess, some of this here tape. So I'm gonna give it a go, see if it works. I don't know. Can't cover up the bottom because that's how you get the batteries in and chip in. How can I do this? It's pretty flexible though, so it can still get out. Smile. Alright. Let's try it like that. See if that works. It's not really tape. It's more like that elastic stuff that you would put on like a sprained ankle. Smile for the camera again. How you doing? Oh, make it worse or make it better? I don't know. I guess we'll see. That stick is kind of shiny. Let's put a little tape on the stick. I don't want to get cut. So, it kind of works. I don't know. Oh. Fail. I lost my piece of camouflage tape on the ground. Who knew? I want to leave it here though. Oh, there it is. Alright. Let's try this again. Put a little bit of this tape with a stick here. Take some of that shine away. See if that's better. It'll have to do. I like to hand brake these just because it gets my scent on everything in this area, and you know, deer become accustomed to my scent. That way when I am sitting up there in the tree, maybe not quite as noticeable. And they last longer. Kind of toss them around. There was a lot of apple here. I'm betting I got a lot of good pictures on that camera of something. Last year it was a lot of raccoon, a lot of deer. I got more. And some more. That's it. I remember the first time I hunted in this area. Well, when I first got my license, I brought a bag of carrots with me the day of the hunting. And I'm sitting in the bush and I'm like, man, I only got this one little bag. And I started trying to break them, and you know, they're making so much noise. Never saw anything out there. You can see on the branches here where the deer's been nibbling at it. You can see some of the rubs from there. And if you look on the ground, you can see where the deer's been pawing at the dirt. Yeah. This is just something really cool that I just wanted to show you. I thought it was a really good example of what a scrape looked like. If you're new here, make sure you hit subscribe. And if you found any value in this video, make sure you hit the like button. Also, if there's anything you'd like to learn to do on a budget, make sure you leave a message in the comments below.